back with number 2 today.
Why is it?
We're gonna be making another video. I got a good friend Damien here helping me with it, repping the Cletus McFarland shirts, so shout out to him. I got his younger brother Nico over here. It's getting a little cold out. We're skipping the parts of fixing the cab. We're gonna start pulling this apart because I'm not working on it outside. So we're gonna get it apart this weekend before it gets too cold. And we'll go back to the cab. So we're gonna start ripping off all the wiring for the motor, get the whole front end off, start pulling the cab so I can test fit the new cab, make sure that the transponder is gonna work and everything. And then get back on to working on the cab. So that's what we're gonna start with today. So I got Damien out here in the background, working on my, dude, come on, ain't no way, that needs to get wafted, brother.
Dude, holy shit. I did it like as soon as it got away.
Terrible.
Game over. You think you're gonna come this way?
So we got new roll pan. I block sanded out, and we're gonna have Damien just finish scuffing the inside of it while I'm pulling out all the wiring out on this thing. Alright, dude, we had to take 5 for that one. If you guys could have smelled what just came out this man, whew,
Evil, man.
there's something evil in there. So anyway, we're gonna start pulling out the wiring on this, get it all out, get it all ready. So yeah, yank the front end and the cab off, so we're gonna hop into it. Alright. Well, nothing recorded for some reason. I don't know what happened, but nothing at all recorded. So I'm just gonna go over what I just did. I just pulled all the wiring out of this thing, unplugged everything from the motor, all the lights. Motor's all unplugged. There's a couple things I need to grab that are under the frame yet. And then pulled everything out from in here. I know it's a little bit harder to see, but it's all pulled out, ready to go. So just makes it easier when it comes time to pull the cab off this weekend. It'll be just more done. So everything's ready to go for the most part. We got Damien finished up my roll pan here, all done. So that's ready to be primed and painted. That's all good. And then yeah, we'll be back. These two are gonna be back helping me pull the cab off. You know, free labor here. Damien just needs a Big Mac and a beer and he'll be all right. So, so we're gonna be pulling this off and hopefully setting the new cab on it this weekend. But as of now, it's ready to go. Yeah, it really sucks because right after I finished recording, I dropped my phone right on the floor. There's gonna be a great outro, you know, and I'm not dropping it again for the video. So we're just gonna end it here and we're gonna pick back up on it later in the week. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Come back, see, follow the channel. Thank you.